To enable full screen scrolling for a more immersive photo view on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app. Tap the three horizontal lines icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting. Under Viewing section, tap the gray on offset next to full screen scrolling until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, tap the back key. Open an album. Now scroll down within the album. As you can see, the navigation bar and option above the album, like the toolbar and the album name, will be hidden. Given to the function, you can enable this feature to get a more immersive and focused viewing experience. With this feature on, you can enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free way to view your photos. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.